How'd I end up in this insane asylum? Huh. I'll tell you, but listen close. Sometimes the closest people to you shouldn't be so close. I'm in college now. I'm actually fine after all these years. What my dad did ruined me. I never understood how a man could beat the very woman he says he loves and rape his own child. It's funny how things work themselves out. I struggled growing up after being robbed of my innocence. When I was younger, I swore on my dog that I'd kill myself if it ever happened to me again. For a long time, I couldn't sleep thinking that someone would come in and do it again. It bothered me that much. I'm just now getting back to myself. I keep running into this guy. He's a real gentleman. But I can't really say if I'm ready to be close to anyone. I guess you'll have to listen to my story to see. Here's all about me.
Oh, it's you again.
It's like we always bumping into each other.
We?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Since we always bumping into each other.
What's up?
Mind if I take you out on a date to the steakhouse on Lee Boulevard?
To the steakhouse?
I'm not taking no for option.
Oh, I guess I can be ready around 7.
You sure?
Yeah.
Sound like a date.